All right, let's go through a few more examples here, and you might like to pause the video and see if you can get it right and then check your answer. So if I've got 17% right here, if I want to change this 17% to a decimal, remember what you do is you take 17 and divide it by 100. So that means I'm moving my decimal place twice to the left, so it becomes 0.17. If I want to take 17% and turn it into a fraction, I write it as 17 over 100. Now I can't simplify that, so that's where I leave my answer. Let's now move to the next one. If I've got 36% and I want to change it to a decimal, I take 36 and I divide it by 100. So that means I'm taking my decimal and I'm moving it twice to the left. So that means I end up with 0.36. If I'm turning it into a fraction, I write 36 over 100 and then I try to simplify it. This can be simplified. I can divide the top and bottom by 4. 36 divided by 4 will be 9. So this is going to end up being 9 on 25. Because 36 divided by 4 is 9, 100 divided by 4 is 25. We then move on to the next one. So this is now 65%. If I want to turn this to a decimal, I take 65 and divide it by 100. Now I move my decimal place twice to the left. So it's going to be 0.65. If I want to turn it into a fraction, I take 65 and I put it over 100. I then ask myself, what can I divide this by? I can divide it by 5. I can divide it by 5. So that means what I'm going to get as my answer here is going to be 65 divided by 5 is going to be 13. And 100 divided by 5 will be 20. And just like that, I have answered all my questions there. So the very important thing that you need to recognize here is that, this percentage is the same as this fraction, is the same as this decimal. We're just writing them as different ways. And that's how you do it.